What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Jazzy Nation. I know I look a little crazy right now, but we are going to fix this disheveled look. Like, I've been looking a little matted and dog-like for a couple days. If that traffic ruins my intro, I'm going to be angry. Let's just move to a different room so that I can compose myself. Okay, much better, much better. So today, the objective is to get tacos. So if you've seen my chrono vlogs, then you would know that we had some amazing tacos. And they were so weird, but they were so good. And I was like, if they have tacos like that in France, they might have tacos like that here in Morocco, or we can get some sort of variation. So today what we're gonna do, tonight what we're gonna do, when Jazzy gets home, we are going to go on a hunt for tacos, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. But first, before we do any of that, I need to get myself ready. Here's what I realized. I was trying to make a really cool vlog, and I ended up falling asleep while I'm editing other vlogs. Like, I'm so tired. And I forgot I cut my hair. I woke up and my husband just came back and he was like, oh, cool hair. But I forgot that I cut it. Like, so much happened before I went to sleep. And I literally like fell asleep with one hand on the keyboard and like, yeah, just. Anyways, he's back. I'm awake, I'm energized. So I think we're gonna go get those tacos I was telling you about. There it is, Tacos de Leon, fast food.
Chili pad.
Avec le fromage?
Oui.
Steakhouse.
Steakhouse, oui. Just a chicken.
I'm excited for a taco. See what my hair looks like.
I'm excited to try it. So let me talk to Chama. Chama, we just got tacos. If this lives up to expectation, I'm sending you like 100 tacos. If it doesn't live up to expectation, I'm moving to Grenoble.
Because the tacos in Grenoble were the truth, I'm really nervous. So like the last minute that they're gonna dump something like weird. Look at this menu though. I was showing them this menu, but like it's a lot. Like that's a lot of stuff. And they have American donuts. Did you see that? Okay. If you look up top, there. It's really random. Yeah. And the ice creams look good.
The burgers look good too.
Yeah, the burgers look kind of like Burger King. So our tacos are freshly warm. This one, does it seem smaller to you? I feel like it's a little smaller than in the...
Yeah, it's a little small.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. So overall, it's so hot. Overall, I would give the look of it a 9, since it's not as big. A 9 out of 10. Okay, it smells okay. Okay. I guess we'll just take a bite. It's so hot right now. It's hot. Okay. Oh.
Really? You tasting the fries?
The sauce is good.
Okay, it's good.
It's not bad. I would say it's sweet and spicy. I got the chai chili.
Okay.
It's what lives up to chai chili-ness. And the meat is good.
Okay.
It doesn't taste like oddly spiced. It doesn't taste like the one we got in Grenoble though. So I think I'm still gonna have to look. But I think that the fact that it's viande hachée, so ground beef, is really good. I like that. I didn't want like a patty. So I'm happy about that. I wish I could taste more fries, but...
Do we see the inside?
No. Let's say this. I would go again to try another flavor.
Ooh.
Already. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. I think I needed more fries though. So maybe like, yeah, because the meat is overpowering all of the other things. And if there were vegetables, this would be like a complete 10. So I would give this like a 7.5.
We should have got fries on the side.
We should have got fries on the side. Next time though, we can try a different flavor. But yeah, good.
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10, yeah.
You pass in most academia with a C.
So thank you all for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Let us know. Hey, hold on. Let us know down in the comment section below if you have any recommendations of restaurants that you think we should try and do a taste test of here in Morocco. You never know, we might pick your restaurant. So let us know down below and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.